Part 1. Introduction. Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your go-to source for everything crypto, blockchain, and personal finance. If you're looking to get into the world of cryptocurrency without breaking the bank, today's video is a must-watch. In this video, we'll be diving into crypto faucets, what they are, how they work, and how you can start earning Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for free. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around as we uncover the truth behind crypto faucets and how you can make the most of them. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on all things crypto. Check the tools in the description for links to the helpful tools I mentioned and other in-depth videos. Let's jump into the world of crypto faucets. Part 2. What are crypto faucets? So, what exactly is a crypto faucet? A crypto faucet is a website or app that gives out small amounts of cryptocurrency for free, usually in exchange for completing simple tasks or CAPTCHA verifications. Think of it as a digital reward system. You perform an action like viewing ads, solving CAPTCHAs, or completing surveys, and in return, the faucet gives you a small fraction of Bitcoin or other altcoins. Crypto faucets were originally created to help new users get introduced to cryptocurrency by giving them a small amount of coins to experience the blockchain ecosystem. This allows newcomers to get their feet wet in the crypto world without having to invest a single penny. Part 3. How do crypto faucets work? Crypto faucets typically function by rewarding users for completing tasks such as watching ads. You watch ads or click through certain links and get paid in cryptocurrency. Completing tasks or surveys. Some faucets offer you small amounts of crypto for filling out surveys or trying new apps. Solving CAPTCHAs. A simple CAPTCHA verification can often lead to a small crypto payout. Referrals. Many faucets have referral programs where you earn additional crypto by bringing in new users. Most faucets will pay you in satoshis, the smallest unit of Bitcoin, or occasionally in other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Litecoin, or Dogecoin, depending on the platform. Part 4. The benefits of using crypto faucets. Now, you might be thinking, what's in it for me? Here are 4 benefits of using crypto faucets. 1. Earning free Bitcoin. The most obvious benefit is that you can earn free Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. While the amounts may be small, it's a great way to accumulate coins with zero investment. Over time, these small rewards can add up. 2. Learning about cryptocurrency. Crypto faucets are a great way to dip your toes into the world of cryptocurrency without risking your own money. You get to understand how the crypto market works, how transactions happen on the blockchain, and how to store and manage your crypto. 3. Participating in the crypto community. By using crypto faucets, you can become part of the larger crypto ecosystem. It gives you the opportunity to learn about wallets, decentralized finance, DeFi, and other features of the crypto space. 4. Referral bonuses. Many crypto faucets offer referral bonuses, so if you invite your friends to join, you'll earn extra cryptocurrency when they sign up or complete tasks. This is a great way to amplify your earnings without doing extra work. Part 5. Things to consider before using crypto faucets. While crypto faucets can be an easy way to get free coins, there are 3 important things to keep in mind before diving in. 1. Low payouts. The biggest downside of crypto faucets is that the payouts tend to be very low. You're not going to get rich using faucets, but it can serve as a way to get started with crypto or build a small portfolio over time. 2. Time-consuming. Although the tasks are usually simple, they can be quite time-consuming. Completing a series of tasks can take a while before you see any significant amount of crypto. 3. Scams and security risks. Not all faucets are created equal. Some faucets are scams, designed to take advantage of users. Always make sure you're using legitimate faucets from trusted sources. Additionally, beware of faucets that require you to provide personal information or access to your crypto wallet. Part 6. How to maximize your crypto faucet earnings. To make the most of crypto faucets, here are 3 tips. 1. Use multiple faucets. Don't rely on just one faucet. There are many different crypto faucets out there, and using multiple sites will help you accumulate crypto faster. 2. Take advantage of referral programs. Many crypto faucets offer referral bonuses. Share your referral link with friends and start earning even more crypto by helping others get involved in the crypto space. 3. Be consistent. Earning free crypto from faucets takes time. Make it a daily habit to visit your favorite faucets and claim your earnings regularly. Small steps lead to bigger rewards. So, there you have it. Crypto faucets are an easy and fun way to start earning free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. While the payouts may not make you rich, they're a great way to get started in the world of crypto and learn about blockchain without risking any money. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check the tools in the description for links to the helpful tools I mentioned and other in-depth videos. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future crypto tips and strategies. Have any questions about crypto faucets? Drop them in the comments below, and let's chat. Thanks for watching.